Funny Parrot.
See, I be suya, you be newspaper. We go together forever, forever. Yeah, Mazia. Have you guys done your assignment?
Yes.
Plates, Inko.
Yes, we have washed all the plates.
Go and find something to do upstairs.
We don't have anything to do upstairs. That is why we came downstairs to play.
Oh yeah, go and read.
We are not reading.
Okay, we will have a deal. I will ask you guys a question. If you fail, then you will go up. Deal?
No, not yet. We will also ask you a question. If you fail, she will go and never return. Deal?
Deal. Yes, deal. Deal. Okay. 5 letter words.
Sense.
8 letter words.
Nonsense.
What is not?
It's right.
It's right. When I think nonsense, now I think it's right. Okay. 9 letter words.
Senseless.
See, this boy is insulting. He's insulting me.
He's right now.
Right. Okay. If I ask you this one, is I Maria Bataya? If you can answer this one, Maria Bataya. Oh yeah, 30 letter words.
Senselessness.
Chai. Come on, kill Bubum.
Are you tired? Now, it's our turn. What belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do.
Wow, all the Karana Fugi. How can somebody use my property more than myself? Huh? I don't know. What type of question is that?
You see, it's your name.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
You failed, so she should.
If I slap you.
Daddy!
Come and go now because they will pursue me.
Parrot, it's gonna be alright. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Funny Parrot Comedy YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye.
Imangwa umbara Germany to pay in dollar. Nagani ruka polo di bala. Dreams of my money to belong kachala.